Hey everybody, today I have an Assa 700. It's a 7-pin lock. Security pins in all 7 chambers and match countermilling in 4 of those chambers. I have a custom tension wrench I made out of music wire. It'll fit snug in there and it lets me float pick with 1 tension wrench. So first the tapered pins will pick. There's pin 3 tapered set. Pin 4 is a gin pushed into the countermilling. Pin 5 is tapered set. Pin 6 is a gin into the countermilling. And pin 7, binding, tapered, set. That false set means all the tapered pins are set. So now the Christmas trees will pick kind of like spools. There's a counter rotation and set on number 1. And number 2 I must have pushed above the lip accidentally already, but now all the pins are in the countermilling. Now I have to float pick 4 pins out. 6 is a gin. Counter rotate really slowly, bouncing the pick. I'm trying to get it out of the countermilling. There we go. 6 is set. 4 is a gin. Counter rotate really slowly and bounce the pick. 4 is set. Two is a Christmas tree. Two is set. 1 is a Christmas tree. One is set and it's open. Alright, let me just readjust and I'll get it gutted. There you go. I don't want to twist it too far because there's some anti-drill things that drop in, but I'll lock it back up. And then start with pin 1. And that's a master wafer in pin 1. There's going to be master wafers in the 2 Christmas trees, pin 1 and 2. And I need those for the key to work. I try to do this really slow to show the orientation of these pins. It's hard to catch them. There you go. It's the other master wafer. Pin 3 will be a tapered pin. Pin 4 is a gin. And a torpedo key pin. This is a tapered pin. Six will be a gin. Sorry, recenter a little bit. A gin with a torpedo key pin. And the 7 is tapered. Torpedo key pin. Oh, I forgot the thing to pull off the C-clip. I'll be back in 10 seconds. Alright, sorry about that. There's 2 anti-drill pins. I'm just going to drop them out so I don't lose them. Then there's countermilling in chambers 1, 2, 4, and 6, where the 2 Christmas trees and the gins go. And nothing special in the plug. It is grub screwed on the top. And here's the Assa 700. We've got 2 Christmas trees, 2 gins, 3 tapered pins, a few torpedo key pins, and match countermilling. Thank you for watching.